keep this book till the end, and I will read after reading the fifth and sixth book, which is sixth book, which is the Percy Jackson and the Greek gods, and after that I will read this book, which is the last book on the series. Hello friends, welcome to Real Vlogs. Today I am going to do the unboxing video of Percy Jackson and the Greek gods, written by Rick Ryan. Hey friends, today I am going to do the unboxing video of this. Are you serious? Not this. Okay, today I am going to do the unboxing video of okay, today I am going to do the unboxing video of this. Okay friends, this is the Flipkart sign, you can see. Okay. Okay, give me the scissors. Why are you always doing this? Ah yeah. Okay friends, today I am going to do the unboxing. Okay friends. Okay. Okay. Okay friends, this is the book, Percy Jackson and the Greek Gods. Okay. Now I am going to show you the bill. Okay. You can see. This book is worth 319 rupees, Indian rupees. Okay. This is from Flipkart. Okay friends, if you liked our video, like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down below about the thoughts about this video. Okay, there are many books to purchase. When I purchase these books, I'll be putting a video on the books that I buy. Okay friends, so I'm signing off. Bye.